Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper, and from the brand called Linenspa. So you see this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get the product. So the all well packaging and everything, and I'm assuming it's all compressed inside as well. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like inside before we actually fully expand it. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see the product inside right there. It's all nicely compressed. Let me actually take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's literally all compressed inside right here. It actually looks very nice. So I'm actually open this up and put this on top of a mattress to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so right here we have the mattress topper, and right here we have the actual mattress. So the mattress that we're using right now is a hybrid mattress. So half of it is spring and half of it is memory foam. And this is also for the brand called Linenspa. So if you guys are trying to look for a mattress that is a hybrid where it has half spring and half memory foam, then this one is probably ideal for you guys. But I'm actually open up the mattress topper right now to actually show you guys what it actually looks like first. So when you guys open up this part right here, you definitely want to be careful and try not to cut the actual mattress or the mattress topper itself. But basically once you guys open up this part right here, it should expand pretty fast. So when you guys open up this mattress topper, it's literally wrapped up. So you guys want to remove this part right here as well. And you basically want to open up this part right here. Alright. So once you guys open it up, you basically just want to let it fully expand itself. But you see that once you open up the product, this is basically what the product looks like. And for the one that we got right here, this is the cooling gel mattress topper. So it definitely can give you guys that cooling effect when you guys hop on top of right here. And also when you guys put the material on here, it actually feels really, really nice. But it's definitely going to take some time for it to actually fully expand. So I'll probably just let it do its own thing and then come back and check on it later on. So it's only been less than 30 minutes. If you can see, it actually expanded a lot compared to what it was when I first unboxed it. So if you guys are trying to add like an extra layer on top of your mattress, but you guys don't want the whole mattress itself, you probably want to add like 2 inches or 3 inches on top. You can definitely get one of these right here. If you can see how it actually stacks on top of what we have right here. And when you guys feel the material on here, it actually submerged in and comes back out really fast, if you can see. So we're ready to hop on this now. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So once I hop on top of this one, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely feels super nice, actually really comfortable once we hop on top right here. It's like my whole body just submerged in, but actually feels really, really nice and really comfortable as well. And then when you guys get up, the actual product just fully inflates back to original shape, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. Let me actually put my bed sheet and everything on top to show you guys what it actually looks like. If we're to use this and you match it together to show you guys what it actually works. So I'll put on my fitted sheet right here first. Alright, so once you put it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. Yeah, but as you see, it actually blends together so well. So if someone were to walk in here and look at this, they probably wouldn't even know that there's one mattress and one mattress topper on top. It just looks like one whole set. You can see how it actually blends so well with the bed sheet that we have on top right here. So I'm actually hop on again to show you guys what it actually looks like before we put everything else. So now that I hop on with the bed sheet on, it actually feels a lot better because my bed sheet that we're using right now, which is from the Bedshear brand, this one right here is a cooling bamboo bed sheet that definitely gives you guys that cooling effect when you guys hop on top of right here, which is pretty nice. And for this set, it actually comes with a pillow and also like a flat sheet as well. So if you guys want that whole set together, you should definitely look into that as well. But basically right now for the blanket and everything else, I'm using a different, but basically for the blanket, everything else that I've been using right now is actually a different product. Let me actually set everything up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. But basically you can see once you guys fully set the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So it definitely blends really well with the actual mattress that you guys have already. So if you guys want like an extra layer on top, maybe 2 inches, 3 inches or whatever, that is up to you guys. But you can definitely see the product definitely does work and it works quite well. Definitely really easy to install the product, and once you guys actually set it up, it literally takes less than 30 minutes for it to actually fully expand to the shape that you guys want to see right here. And definitely having that cooling gel that's built onto the mattress right here is actually really helpful, especially during the summer days when it's actually really hot. So if you guys are living somewhere where it's really hot, then definitely getting any kind of mattress or mattress topper that's made with cooling gel inside the mattress topper or the mattress itself is definitely really nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now we come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for everything that I show you guys right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of these, especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys just want to add like a few extra inches on top of your bed. And also if you guys want that cooling gel that's built on the actual memory foam as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually doing. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.